Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Bitrue, a cryptocurrency exchange with a unique token system, the Bitrue Coin, BTR. Before we explore BTR, let's briefly introduce Bitrue. Bitrue Exchange is a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs, offering services like spot trading, margin trading, futures trading, and even a savings program called PowerPiggy. But what truly sets Bitrue apart is its focus on innovation and user-friendliness. Their sleek interface and diverse features make it a great platform for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Now, let's crack open the vault and unveil the Bitrue Coin, or BTR. This isn't just any token, it's the heart of the Bitrue ecosystem. Think of it as a loyalty program on steroids. By holding BTR, you unlock a treasure trove of benefits that enhance your Bitrue experience. BTR Token comes with perks and advantages. Here's a glimpse of the goodies you get with BTR. With the BTR Token, you get trading fee discounts, / those trading fees. Depending on how long you hold BTR, you can enjoy significant discounts, going up to 40% in the first year. Next is the Project Party Cash Deposit. This gets a little technical, but basically, projects seeking listings on Bitrue can use BTR as part of their deposit. Bitrue has a program called the PowerPiggy. If you love earning interest on your crypto, then owning BTR grants you a higher interest rate when you hold or save on Bitrue's PowerPiggy savings program. Bitrue plans to roll out loan interest deduction very soon. So, hold on to your hats, because BTR will soon unlock interest rate deductions on Bitrue's upcoming crypto loan products. Another advantage you have by using the Bitrue Exchange is the Eco Fund. BTR fuels Bitrue's commitment to the future. A portion goes towards supporting blockchain projects, charities, and other positive initiatives. Are you aspiring for VIP treatment? Holding BTR becomes a factor in Bitrue's VIP upgrade system, alongside your trading activity. This is a major perk that you should consider as a crypto trader. Let's talk about the Lockup Cap with staking. This gets a bit advanced, but BTR holders can stake their tokens to generate a lockup cap, potentially increasing their benefits. Over the years, Bitrue demonstrates its commitment to BTR by regularly conducting buybacks. This means they take BTR out of circulation, potentially increasing its value over time. How to get started with Bitrue is very simple. When you are ready to join the Bitrue family and unlock the power of BTR, signing up is a breeze. All you need to do is head over to the official Bitrue website. I will leave a link in the description below. When you use this link to register, you will get a special bonus up to $1,000. The registration process is user-friendly and only takes a few minutes. As part of appreciation to my crypto community and subscribers, there will be a 30-day trade and win event. This is an exclusive offer, trade and win with basic knowledge. For those of you who want to test the waters of Bitrue with a bonus. There's a limited time collaboration between Bitrue and Basic Knowledge offering a trade and win event. During this event, when you register with my referral code or the link in the description, you will be eligible to win $20. For the first event, register and deposit $10 or more, and complete any feature or spot trade, you will receive a feature bonus worth $10. For the second event, all you need to win is to trade features with a volume of $1,500 or more. You will immediately receive 150 BTR credited to you. Remember to use the link in the description below to register, join and win. It will be of advantage to join now as the crypto market is in the bull cycle. Take advantage and make some profits. If you want to earn more as a crypto trader, crypto influencer or community leader, consider joining Bitrue's affiliate program. Earn rewards by referring new users to the platform and build an exclusive community within Bitrue. As usual, make sure to do your own research before investing in any platform. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice. Trade responsibly. The crypto market remains a volatile environment. Trade with caution. I hope this video brought value to you. If it did, consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. Share the video and give a thumbs up. Remember to use the link in the description below and join me to trade for more profit and bonuses. Join my Telegram group if you have questions and need more assistance. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Till my next video, keep mining.